Want to create a Filipino social app but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Filipino social app very easily. So first, what you have to do is obviously open your Filipino social app, and then you will see an interface like this. So what you have to do is simply click on continue with Google and select one of your email IDs. After selecting your email IDs, you will see an interface like this. Then simply fill up your information. Here you can write your name. After that, simply write your age, select your gender, and select what you are looking for. Either you are preferring men, women, or both. Simply click on continue. Click on next, 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 and next. And there you go, your Filipino social app is ready to use. It is that simple. Now you can simply use the app and find your love. This was it on how to use the Filipino social app and how to create an account in it. So if you found this video helpful and useful, make sure to like and subscribe and share this with your friend who wants to create the Filipino social app and flirt.